can hear the sound of the crunchiness and how it is cooked to the bone. So there is nothing like pinkish color or any blood anywhere. And see how the chicken is soft.
Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabby GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make KFC style fried chicken. This is going to be simple and short. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Please, let's begin by going through the ingredients we have for our fried chicken. And don't be scared about the number of ingredients around. I'm sure you have most of them in your cabinet. So I have double refined sunflower oil, extra virgin olive oil, sweet paprika powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, dry thyme, minced spices, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion and ginger mixture, 1 lemon, 2 cups of water, chicken drumstick and all-purpose flour. I will marinate the chicken. First, I'll put the lemon juice, and then this is 80% onion, 10% garlic, and 10% ginger. Salt to taste, black pepper, mixed spices, just about 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of dry thyme, just about half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon chili powder, one teaspoon sweet paprika powder, and then some sprinkle of olive oil. So I'll mix it all together nicely. I will cover and put in the fridge for about 1 hour for the marination to penetrate into the chicken before I start frying. Dear friends, whilst we are waiting for the chicken in the fridge, I'll prepare the water for the chicken. So this is 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, and then a little salt, and then stir together. I know you are wondering what am I going to use this one. Just be patient, you will know very soon. I will also season the flour, a little bit salt, about half teaspoon paprika powder, black pepper. Mix it together. You know we have salt here, and salt in the chicken, so always have to be extra careful not to over salt your chicken. Dear friends, the chicken is ready, the flour is ready, and the water is ready. So I'll go on first into the flour. Beautiful. Into the water. Back to the flour. And then into the oil. But I'm going to do double frying, because if you try to fry it direct at once, it will be difficult to cook the chicken to the bone, because this is 100% fresh. So I will cook it just about 6-7 minutes, then I take it out, let it cool down about 10 minutes, then I refry it. All right, the chicken is turning color now, so I will take it out and continue with the second batch. All right, the second batch is also ready. I will let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now I will strain the oil.
to get rid of all the excess fry in it, and then reheat it and fry the chicken again.
Dear friend, the oil is reheated. Time to fry the chicken again, and you can see how beautiful it looks at the moment. I am already excited, and this time we don't have to worry that our chicken will not be cooked to the bone, because we are sure about 70% of the chicken is already cooked. This time we are just making sure it is cooked to the bone, so that end of the day we are not going to see any pinkish color on the bones, and also to make sure the outside of the chicken is rough and crunchy, same like the chicken you have been buying from KFC shop. And I know by 5-6 minutes it will be ready, and you will see for yourself what I'm talking about, that we will not see a single pinkish color on the bone of our chicken. As for the taste, I don't think I have to say much about it, because you saw the ingredients I used to spice up the chicken in the process we went through. So I know from here you can imagine how this chicken will taste. Let's just give it 5-6 minutes and our chicken will be ready. Dear friend, the chicken is ready, and I am 100% sure it is cooked to the bone. And look at how beautiful and crunchy it looks. This is just what you buy from KFC restaurants, and I will let it rest for just 5 minutes, and I will show you how well it is cooked to the bone.
Dear friends, the chicken is ready here, so let's all check and see. I believe you can hear the sound of the crunchiness and how it is cooked to the bone. So there is nothing like pinkish color or any blood anywhere. You see how the chicken is soft. So friends, I tried one. The taste was just yummy. Just follow the simple recipe and the process. It is very easy to make, delicious and crunchy. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.